We decided to change the moon for today. Dude, I like needed to sneeze. Jeez. Okay. We're okay. I feel like that's a normal thing to sneeze while you're talking to your peoples, but I'm just ready to have an amazing day. And right now, we chilling. We just chilling. And I love you guys. So, remember that. And we're going to keep working on the channel every day, even when we're tired as heck. And I keep sneezing like a dummy. We're going to keep talking all the time. Every single day. I promise. And I'll keep making those promises over and over while I'm doing this, literally. But we good.